whereas those people, they get offended in any of these countries. So please be aware wherever you are going in, what exactly goes on, what are the rules and regulations of those countries.
Okay, now I'll ask a very quick question. The last slide talks about, remember that what we did in the entire slide. I'll ask a very simple question. The ladies are always accompanied by purse. Where do you need to keep those purses? Anybody? You have a purse along with you? And then, where to keep this purse? Under the table.
Now, could you have a look like where people have kept here? Okay?
Here. Anybody who answers this right definitely gets the book. So please raise your hand before saying that. Yes, ma'am. Which side would you like to keep it, ma'am? Okay, can we have a book from ma'am? Perfect, ma'am. But I think it should not be on the table precisely. And it's okay, ma'am, because nothing is, we're not eating over here. Exactly. So the purse, everything will going to be on the left side. Yes. Yes. Even if you're not dining, ideally nothing should go onto the table. No cell phones, no purse. It should be clean and crisp. There's a reason for that. There's a reason for that. You always take your chair from the right of the chair. Yes. When you take a chair, you should always enter from your left and the right of the chair. So when you put your purse to the left, back into the left of the chair, then it doesn't bang into you. And also, why do we take that position is so that two people don't bang into each other. If you're a gentleman and you have a lady, the lady must always be on your right. Just a couple of things that will help you see. Thank you. Thank you so much, ma'am. I think we just added this portion. This was a help and an hint to everyone that whenever you want to sit, you always want to sit towards the right side of the chair. Though the server would be there to pull it up and you can take a seat. This purses always fly under the table, right? So, ladies, please take care of your purse.
Okay, now few things which we have learned it from today. I would need a volunteer who would give 5 points which you have done it, which you have learned it, which was new for you. Which was new for you, sir. Yes, sir. Number 1.
Sorry, what you have said, and number 2, 3 box at the left.
Okay, 2.
Third one was if you are host,
Great. 3. Okay.
And fourth one, try to come before host.
Great. 4. 5th.
This one, and that's
Great, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes.
I'm sure some must have retained a lot from this session.
Yes, ma'am.
Different types of wines, the combinations and the glasses.
Okay, second question. What along with the soup, ma'am?
Anybody who wants would get
Okay, what along with the main course, ma'am?
Red wine.
Okay, what along with the salad, ma'am?
White wine.
Okay, what along with the dessert, ma'am?
Champagne.
Great, ma'am. The book goes to you. Okay, anybody else?
Okay. We'll try someone who's having got the book. Yes, sir.
Learns about the sitting arrangement, table setup. I was aware about a la carte, but the other side, the travel these words have been derived from the French,
Okay.
and how to greet the lady when she's coming in and coming out.
Great.
And yes, the mobile should not be on the table.
Fifth one, ma'am, for the book.
No, that the mobile belongings should not be on the table, and yes, the purse should be on the left side. And also the difference between the American and the continental side.
I think great, ma'am. The book goes.
Thank you so much.
Anybody else in the back end? Yes, ma'am.
I have learned few things. First is when you call the guest and you have the lobby, I didn't know that. Secondly, about the purse on the left side, that I didn't know. And third, I didn't know entertain a couple guests have to sit together. I didn't know that. The three.
Fourth, ma'am.
And fourth is glasses, so many glasses, and which glasses used for what.
Great, ma'am.
And then I think the combinations of the
Great, ma'am. Last one for you. Yes. Yes, ma'am. I hope you haven't got any of the books. Okay. Sure, ma'am.
The first thing was like how to react when you drop your phone.
Great.
Usually we end up now I came to ask for a new one and not bother about the
Great. Great.
the second one is passing around the table. Like passing food around the table.
Great, ma'am.
The third one was that the salt and pepper are passed together.
So the concept for salt and pepper is salt and pepper are married, whereas the cream and the sugar are divorced.
Ma'am, fourth point. Fourth point, ma'am.
Like when we are the host couple and we are the guest couple, it's of the couple that visits with the other person's wife and vice versa.
Great, ma'am. Fifth
And
one.
fifth one is finishing of the last one.
Great, ma'am. Yes, sir.
We are class 3 with us. And you can keep it in mind for your life.
Okay, now the people would be answering it. I don't want any of the points which have been repeated. Something that's very new. Yes, sir?
The most important point is what we have to order, we have to see what the host is and the range is ordering.
Great, sir. Point 1. Point 2, sir?
Point two, that when the number of guests are there, like the lady guest and the host, they sit together, and the lady of the house and the guest who comes, they have to sit at the tail end of the table.
Great. Third one?
This is new.
Yes. Nobody has said. Great. Still the book goes to sir. Yes.
When a number of people are to come for the party, the host will wait in the lounge or the lobby, and they will keep sitting there, welcome each guest, and when all the guests are there, then they will proceed to the dining hall. And then the placements in American style and in European style. The fork in European style, the fork faces downwards when the dinner is over, and the knife goes to the right of the fork with the cutting edge towards the inner side. And in the American style, the fork and the fork will be facing upwards only. Then another point is ordering the meal. The host will order first and then the guest will follow, keeping in mind what type or what rate he has ordered and keeping the things in the same order almost. And then another point is that seating arrangement. When 4 people are there, the host will sit and the lady guest will sit on the right, and the lady host will sit and the guest will sit on the right of that. When more number of people are there, then the host and the lady guest will sit on the right of the host on the head of the table, and the lady host and the chief guest, chief guest will sit on the right of the lady host. Other members, they will sit alternating, one male, one female, one male, one female. Is that right?
I must let you know that you are being quite a good observer. You have seen every time's up and time's down, and this is worth you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Great, ma'am. And this was the last of the lot. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, everyone.
Now, I will request the house, if there is any situation, any problem which you come across while dining, you can fire us mail, we will tackle that. Yes, ma'am? Under the table, ma'am? Okay, if you've spilled any of the liquid onto your table and really it's there in a messed up condition, it's not a little bit, maybe it's not more than a drop. If it's more than a drop or so, 10 to 5 drops, it's okay. It gets soaked by the tablecloth. But if it's something more than that, you could ask the server to shift you to any of the other tables. Nothing to react for. You can just request the server standing nearby to get you shifted to any of the vacant tables nearby. Yes, ma'am? And say sorry. Yes, of course. Yes, ma'am?
Like, then sometimes it's very rude to tell them to sit for here. Sometimes you just can't ignore them. What should be done at that time?
In all the good properties, you always see a babysitter available. You can always call for the person who's offering you as babysitter, and you can always call them and they can take care of your baby.
You can, ma'am. You can ask of this any of the people nearby that if they would have a babysitter facility, they could take this kid away and.
Well, you have babysitting facility service to be provided by the hotel. I mean,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
should start using it. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry.
Could you tell us the most polite way to call a server?
Ma'am.
So much, ma'am. This is how you're going to do it. Say, for an example, if you have to call, you just have to raise your hand like this or like this, and you can call. The person would come, you're sitting on a table, just raise slightly, and the server would come. You don't need to say anything. Your indication for a hand itself gives them an indication that you are being called. And they will always come.
Another question here.
Yes, ma'am.
And another group of guests on another table are being very loyal, and you're in this meeting. How do you deal with that?
Ma'am, the only way to deal is that you can again shift your table from somewhere nearby and take a group corner somewhere else. Or in fact, if it's really too much, you can get shifted to any other restaurant in the lobby. Yes, you get out of the restaurant.
Send for the card. Yes, ma'am.
Guests just running late and they have not informed us. So how long should we wait before we start?
See, if maximum number of people have already received and you're waiting for the one who's not, you can always proceed and get know the Toastmaster that we are expecting someone. Please do let me know whenever they arrive. So you can always welcome them in this contact. Okay.
What time is it okay to shift to the dining?
Okay, start the dining. In that case, say, if you mentioned 8 o'clock, right? You can take every guest, maybe say, you cannot make the entire lot wait just for one person. In that case, you'll go. We'll stop dying. That's not a problem. So you can start that process.
Yes.
You have shown toothpicks on the table. That is unhygienic, and in USA you will not see or in the 5-star hotels, or even in India also they are going to do that. So then in India, what is the custom? We are placing mishri or some song. That what is your views about that?
So you're talking about a toothpick, but toothpick is there to help you out if there is any flesh part in your teeth. I wonder nothing else would help you out with that. A sock or a mystery will not help you out to take out that. And neither you can use a knife or a fork to take it out. By default, anyhow, any means you need to use it. I suppose yet any other alternative is supposed to come. I haven't experienced much. If anybody in the house would have experienced any new alternative, really, we would love to know what is it. Because the basic purpose of the toothpick is that if there is a flesh or so stuck, and it cannot be taken out by any other means, no way. And a softener machinery is just act as a refreshener, so that your mouth does not stink with whatever meat or whatever drink which you have taken from. And true ma'am, you can carry yours.
Toothpicks are not unhygienic, they only become unhygienic once you use them.
That's what, sir. But sir says they take some
sterilized.
Whenever any good restaurant, any good hotel, they are using the toothpick, which is a very much good quality. If you're talking about a small dhaba or so, they would reuse it. You can find out people reusing it everything. You go to a small places or a fair, they use the straws, they reuse the straws and well. So in those cases, we should avoid going out to those small places where everything which is not sterilized and they reuse the thing.
Can you have the last one question?
Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Actually, I have seen at some places people eating while wearing gloves. They have to place those gloves after eating. While eating seafood, they are wearing disposable gloves.
While eating, ma'am?
Yeah.
You can.
They have to place those gloves after eating.
It is the same procedure which goes with the napkin. It will go onto the left hand side. The server will come, will pick it up and will take it away, because we do not want anything shabby to be kept and lasting for a longer time, because we would normally have a smell, a foul smell associated. So it always goes on the left and will be picked immediately when you have removed it. Okay.
Just a minute again about this using of toothpick. So some people don't like using toothpick. Sometimes it is not decent to see also the other person using toothpick. So I have a suggestion. We can carry a small thread thread piece with us in our purse. We can go to the washroom, use that as a floss, get the teeth clean, and then you can return to your seat.
Great, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for sharing this information with us. And thank you so much. It was a pleasure indeed.
Thank you. Have a lovely day ahead.
Thank you. Thank you, Mrs. Harpreet, Mr. Puneet, and it was really tough. Honestly, it was a tough one. If one has to, I was just thinking, if one has to pass a course in hotel management and covering all this, at least I can now graduate from Hotel Management Institute. And let me tell you one thing, what I was just thinking, if this were a course before at 10th or 12th, all our colleges and universities would have only girls. No, I know myself, I know my friends, and I would take a little liberty here. Yesterday, Single Sir was speaking to me, Kamal, tomorrow I'm not going to give presidential remarks. No, even a president who has flown around the world many times over said, I don't know anything about this. I told Single Sir, so we are in the same boat, don't worry, all of us are sailing in the same boat. No, jokes apart, it was fantastic. I mean, there were so many things which were kind of eye-opening, we never knew. Maybe intuitive, maybe counterintuitive, I don't know. But the point is, so many things that we never, paid attention to. So, and then the demonstrations and slides really made it very, very interesting for all of us. Now I would request Mrs. Paramjeet Kaur to please come and present the memento to Mrs. Kaur. Dr. Shalini Gupta to please present a memento to Mrs. Latif. Mr. Vishal Vinayak to please present a memento to Mr. Vikash. Now I would request Mr. Sikal to please come to the bench.
Thank you so much. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. What is the great participation and well done, Harpreet.